to be doing art, which is this Kolam, 就是色彩缤纷的古拉姆。And we will need these materials: a pencil, an art paper, and a few pieces of color paper. And we need red beads, green beads, a few beads, cotton wool, tweezer, and white glue and glue. You can draw your own favorite picture or the peacock on the art paper. Then rip the color paper into tiny pieces and glue it on the paper by using the glue, but not the white glue, okay? Of course, that is true. Next, we have to use the cotton wool to decorate the bottom. Then use the tweezer to take the beans or the beads to decorate the picture by using the white glue. And that's finished! Yep! Which is already done. We hope you like this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. We will see you guys later. Bye!